Alrighty, so we have our dumbbell floor press. It's pretty easy, however, there can be some slight variations, and this is really what depends on your comfortability. But there's probably the biggest safety tip is really getting the dumbbells up and down. So first thing, floor press, we're gonna be laying down flat. When we go to take up the dumbbells, as we lie down, we wanna make sure we hinge the dumbbells up at the same time, just like that. Now you'll notice I've got a pretty neutral, narrow position. You can, of course, come out onto that 45, that's not a problem. I'm always gonna recommend not coming out onto our 90, doing a neck press, especially down in this position. So either 40 or neutral, or sorry, 45. From there, guys, just like any normal bench press, make sure we're setting the arch in the back, we're pushing through those feet, and we're trying to squeeze the shoulder blades together. So naturally, it's gonna create that arch. We shouldn't ever be doing it flat on the ground. From here, we're simply just gonna push all the way up so we get that normal press, and then we come back down. So we just go through our floor press like such. Making sure as we are pressing, we're trying to squeeze those pecs nice and tight, and you of course are going to feel those triceps really kick on. Now once we're done, the last thing we want to do is drop those dumbbells out to the side. So if we're still laying down, we can simply drop them like that, or you can hinge forward and bring yourself up. But especially if you're going heavy, I'd recommend just dropping them straight down. That's the biggest one. So safety, guys, is we don't want to be going out to the side because that is just the danger zone for the rotator cuffs to just go boop. So make sure the biggest one, floor press, keep the arch in the back, make sure we lift correctly in terms of getting set up and place down correctly in terms of finishing. That's our floor press.